I'm Chris Martin, and we're getting down to the brass tacks and hard facts of the XD Washdown Kit. On scene after the fire cleanup is more important now than it's ever been to remove contaminants from gear and equipment. We've packaged up all of the needed equipment to make this easy and effective, and it's built to last. The XD Washdown Kit is made up of components that you're not going to find at your local big box store, and we've even given it the name XD for extreme duty. First in the kit, you'll find the XD Washdown nozzle. Built of brass and stainless steel components, it's rated for up to 150 psi and is equipped with an insulated rubber cover to stand up to drops and repeated use. It has a rear trigger controlled variable spray pattern that will flow 7 gallons a minute at 100 psi. The inlet has a swivel adapter, so you don't have to fight hose twists when it's charged. There's 50 feet of 5/8" garden hose that's rated for pressures up to 200 psi. This means you won't have to worry about rupturing sections of off-the-shelf store-bought garden hose from overpressurizing at the fire pump. The hose is connected to an 1.5" swivel bell reducer. This makes hookup to the side of the rig or the end of your shutoff simple and handles any twist the hose may give you. All of it comes in this custom rugged carrying bag with durable seatbelt handles and vents that aid in drying if you're putting it all away wet. The XD Washdown Kit is ideal for post-fire decon, washing off contaminants from turnout gear and leaving them on the scene. It's great for cleaning up tools, dirty hose, and other equipment and getting them in service for the next fire. Simple and built to last, the XD Washdown Kit is a perfect addition for after the fire cleanup.